Hello, friends. This is your host and host at Trade at Levels, and I welcome you once again. Hope you had a good day today. In this video, we shall see how the market shall behave tomorrow. And yes, I had requested you all for your support. With your love and support, I have reached 60 subscribers, and so I have 3 stock picks for my viewers as a giveaway. So please stay tuned and do watch the video till the very end. Before we begin, just one request. Please do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and please share it with your friends and near ones who would get benefited from the same. Our aim is to get quality high numbers in terms of subscribers so people in this field get benefited and we all grow together. And that is the reason I have not chosen any promotional activity just to get high numbers in terms of subscribers and kind of reach 1000 subscribers in one day. That is not my aim. My aim is to really have the people on the channel who would really watch the videos get benefited and we all grow together. So friends, please do support me in sharing this channel with maximum people in the financial community. Having said that, let's move on to the Nifty daily view chart. Let us see how did the markets fare today. From the charts, we can see that Nifty was almost flat today. It closed positive by 21 points and Bank Nifty closed down by 65 points. So let us study the Nifty chart from a price action viewpoint. We saw that after breaking the trend line, Nifty made 2 red candles on a daily basis. After that, today markets recovered a little from the downside. So let us see how will the markets recover. From the price action viewpoint, if the markets move up and make a price action of higher high and higher low, then there is a possibility for the markets to come up. However, for that also, it has to break the high of the significant red candle and decently sustain above 11,800. Only then can we say the markets are positive. Also, if Nifty does not fill in the gap it has formed on Friday, latest by tomorrow or by Wednesday, then a little more negativity can come in. So just to make it clear, on Friday it made a gap. After that, within 2 to 3 days it has to fill in that gap, and if it does not, then negative sentiments might pour in. For the positive sentiments to come in, markets have to break the high of the significant of the candle which has been formed yesterday. Intraday buying is advisable about as regards trading for tomorrow. From an intraday viewpoint, intraday buying would be advisable above 11,381. If you see from the charts, today's candle is resembling a candlestick pattern called hammer, though it's not a perfect one. Selling would be advisable below levels of 11,320 and 11,325. Remember friends, any day a close below these levels will pour in further negative sentiments. In that case, the markets can move on to 11,111, which would be the next vital support. Having said this, let's move on to Bank Nifty. Towards the end of the day, we saw some buying coming in. Bank Nifty definitely looks weak as compared to Nifty. It's already trading below the close of the significant candle and it has broken an important level of 23,230 and has come down. A little positivity can come in if it gives us a close above 23,230. From an intraday viewpoint, buying is advisable about 23,105 and selling is advisable below 22,869. Having said this, for my viewers, as I mentioned earlier, I have 3 stock recommendations. I would personally suggest you to buy them from a positional viewpoint. However, with a good risk management in place and with strict stop loss, you can also trade them in intraday. Let's discuss the stock picks one by one. To begin with, the first stock is HDFC Life. The stock seems bullish and can show an upward movement. I would advise a long above 595 for targets of 606, 617 and 640. Stop loss shall be 585 on a closing basis. The next stock pick is Auropharma. I would recommend a swing long above 805 levels for a target of 816 to 832 with a stop loss of 780 on a closing basis. And the final stock pick is Lupin. It has activated a bullish cipher on an hourly time frame. As long as it's above 923, it can move on to 945 and 950 levels. Having said this, friends, I would like to reiterate that the views mentioned here are only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any positions based on the recommendations shared here. Thanks for watching, and please do share it with all your friends in the financial fraternity. Thank you so much.